That lady's about to feed the Canadian geese.
I throw it right here.
Yeah, you don't want to get close.
Don't throw it on the grass. I think they'll have trouble picking it up. Look at how big they are.
Wow.
That one is very big. Look at all these babies. Look at all of these, how big they are.
Yeah, and they're still babies.
Yeah.
More. All right. And that grandpa is so big.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Started attacking
They
you.
just leave their babies to eat more.
Yeah. Well, they're getting bigger.
Hey,
They're not.
hey, not picking.
No, it's
Oh.
that guy that's cooking.
Oh, what you screaming at?
See, the parents want to keep their babies only in the corn.
And there's one that is pushing.
Yeah.
Going all around us.
There's a middler. See, they were born later over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Whoa. Come on, man. Don't be mean.
See, he's not, the mother or the dad's not caring too much. He's trying to keep a lookout.
Sorry, hickeys.
Look at, oh yeah, they're getting real territorial. Feed those little ones over there, if you can.
Oh no, little ones.
Yeah. There they'll go.
Don't do anything.
Ones. That's what the problem
Hey, don't try to do anything. I see you looking at me.
What is that?
Yeah, I see you side-eyeing me. Yeah, walk away. Yeah, walk away.
It's there. He's scaring me.
See, this male's scaring those ones away. Yeah.
Hey, stop hissing. Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut up. You can grab that. Hey, you'll get the food later. Shut up.
It's there. Do I need to put it in your mouth?
Yeah, don't even try, because his beak will take your finger off.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's how.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. I think we're done. You're not eating. I know you're asking for your kids.
See, I got some of these too over here. They have a little bit more. I'm going to feed these critters over here that they won't let in. See, this guy is guarding his territory right here, and he won't let anybody else in.
It's like they really have their mind that no, this is for my
This
kids.
is my kids. Yeah.
It's like only mother,
Yeah.
father.
And they've got 2, 4, 6, 7. And see, these two right here have these 4 little ones. You can kind of see the family unit. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Look, look.
Oh, yeah.
Mhm.
See?
They want to move because there's nothing there.
Yeah, there's some there. Maybe
There's a
they're
lot
getting-
there.
But these guys are older and they're very territorial. Yeah? You get your, yeah, see when they get their head down low? You get out of mine. These are for mine. Yeah. They get real feisty.